So we saw that what ideas can be patented, ideas should be novel, should have innovative steps to make it functional, and also it should have functional usage. Then there are some ideas which cannot be patented, and there's something called fair use of patent. I won't use the word fair use, but it is a usage exception. That is how it is talked about. So what cannot be patented? So specific countries impose specific restrictions. Like for example, India, at anything related to atomic energy or defense cannot be patented. These are areas which you cannot give monopoly to anyone for 20 years. So you do not give patent rights on atomic energy or defense related things. Also, you don't get patent on any surgical process or medical process because science is advancing and you cannot wait for 20 years for somebody to just deprive patients out of that process. Similarly, there is something called ex- um, exceptional usage of patent. Like though you are a patent owner, but in certain cases you cannot stop others from using your innovation, and that is applicable for educational and research purposes. So in any university, people want to teach about your innovation, and for that they create a prototype and show it to student. It is not considered as a patent violation, it is considered as a exception. Government always reserves that right, that in any unforeseen such situations they will use your innovation, and that can happen especially mainly for pharma companies where government feel that there is a situation which is an epidemic and they just cannot give you patent rights because in that case it will be going against the interest of the society. And third thing, also government always reserves right to revoke the patent. It can be revoked if there is a immoral use for it, or the government finds out that you have not shared all the innovation details, because in first place it was a condition that you share all the details and you get the patent. If so that condition has not been fulfilled, then government can revoke patent. So let us see again that what ideas cannot be patented, and then what is the exceptional usage. So ideas that cannot be patented: atomic energy, living plants and animals, method of agriculture, which is very important for country like India, medicinal and surgical process, and matters related to defense. Exceptional use, limited use of patent product or process for educational or research purpose, government use for public good, and then very specific case, that is production of patented drug molecule by generic drug makers for clinical trials prior to expiry of the patents. So this is called Bolar exception. It's named after a company, which is company's name is Bolar Pharma. And what they did is that they produced a generic drug which was which they wanted to introduce in US market after 2 years, because Eli Lilly had patent for a specific drug for 20 years. So after 18 years, this new pharma company saw an opportunity that I can introduce a generic variant. And for that, they decided that I'll start clinical trials early, so that by the time the day the drug is out of patent protection, I can go and sell my drug as a generic drug. And this was prevented by uh, the company Eli Lilly. They said that since this product I only have exclusive rights to produce, you cannot produce it. And this actually came, and this became a question that this method which is employed by the drug companies amounts to prolonging their patent by another 2 years. And that is where American Senate passed a specific law that if it is a generic drug trial, it can happen early and there is no patent violation. And then this example has been followed world over. Now, if government suspects its misuse, always patent rights can be rejected. So then that could be one ground also where government say that I will not give patent right. Though the idea is novel, you are able to prove it, but I will not give you patent rights. And government can revoke if it is a misuse, immoral use, inequitable conduct, that is misrepresentation which has been done to get the patent right. You are not disclose all the details. you're given wrong drawings or wrong samples, your patent can be revoked. And last is, if patent owner sells this patent rights in one country and then some company produces goods in that country and then exports, you cannot the company cannot contest that because they have sold their rights in that country. So this is very important, that you we know that what can be patented and what cannot be. Now we go to next topic, which is who issues patent right. Okay,